Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this New Year's Eve glam makeup tutorial. If you're interested, just keep watching, but first, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to go check out my giveaway I have going on right now. It is in my last video. I am giving away a lot of makeup for a New Year giveaway, and I also just reached 400 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Let's start the video. Okay guys, I'm going to be starting with primer. This is the CoverGirl Color Neutralizing Primer. I am going to be using that because my face is a little bit red and I am a little bit broken out. It is green. That is because green cancels out redness. Before going in with a foundation, I am going to be using a luminizing face oil. And I want to do that just because I want my foundation to be glowing. For foundation, I am going to be using Lancome. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Shade Sticks in the shade Tokyo. I got these in PR, and you can try them as a concealer, foundation, or contour, and I really love how it looks as a concealer. I do have a whole video about the shade sticks if you want to check that out. I am going to be setting my under eyes right away just so there's no creases. I'm going to be doing that with the Jeffree Star Translucent Setting Powder. I really like using this under my eyes because it is a brightening powder. I usually apply this under my eyes and in all the places that I want brightened on my face. I am going to be setting the rest of my face with the Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. I am dabbing the powder on because I don't want to drag the brush and remove foundation. I am going to go do my eyebrows real quick off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just did my eyebrows and I did go ahead and prime my eyelids, and I did that with concealer, and I do not set my concealer with powder. I want my concealer to be wet so the eyeshadow will stick to the concealer and blend out and be more pigmented. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. The first shade is Unity. I'm going to be taking Unity as a transition shade. This will help blend all the shadows together. I'm going to blend that all over my eyelid. I'm going to take a small packing brush with the shade Saturn. I'm going to be packing that on my inner eyelid along the crease. going to be blending Saturn out with the shade Eden. With a fluffy blending brush with no product, I'm going to be blending everything out so there are no harsh lines. With the shade Parallel, I'm going to be darkening up my outer corner of my eyelid. Again, I'm going to be taking a fluffy blending brush with no product and blend everything out. With a small blending brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Obsidian and darkening up the outer eyelid like a smoky eye. I'm going to be blending that out seamlessly with the same brush as earlier with no product. With a still liquid eyeshadow, I'm going to be cutting the crease like I normally would with a concealer. You want to make sure that the liquid eyeshadow is dry before you open your eyes too much, so there is no transferring and getting the liquid eyeshadow where you don't want it. With the brown and black shades from earlier, I'm going to be blending that into where I just applied the liquid eyeshadow, so there is no harsh lines and everything is blended. Now I'm going to be applying some black eyeliner to my waterline. With the brown and black shades from earlier, I'm going to be doing my lower lash line. I'm also going to be using the same blending brush and blending everything. I am going to go off camera real quick and put on some mascara and lashes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm going to be moving on to the rest of my face makeup, and for bronzer I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Actually one of my favorite bronzers. I love it because it matches my skin tone and it doesn't look orange. I am going to be taking the Jeffree Star Translucent Setting Powder and I'm going to be chiseling out my cheekbones. And this is a brightening powder, so it's going to brighten things up and make my cheekbones and bronzer look more snatched. While that's baking, I am going to move on to highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Grace. Since this is New Year's Eve, I am going to be wetting my brush. It's going to make the highlighter more pigmented and stand out. For my lips, I want to do something a little more bold than I usually would, so I'm going to be going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip, and it is in the shade Bittersweet. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.